come outside where the sunflowers bloom. Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, we'll all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours
Hey, so it's me, Nomad, and so today is a new day. Whew, man, it's been rough. So after that fiasco with the RV park, we ended up staying in Long Beach overnight because I was hemmed in by these two cars, or a truck and a car, and I got a ticket. Anyway, it's the next day, and the plan was to head back into LA to a town called Torrance, and there's a really big shopping center there near a Home Depot. And I was just gonna park there and really focus today on doing some repairs and stuff. But I had to make another errand, and somehow I ended up in this town, Wilmington, at this other shopping center, and it just so happened that it has a Home Depot. So let me show you. There's a Home Depot right there. There's an Albertsons, there's a Starbucks over there. Like, everything I need is right here, except shade. And I found this spot kind of, you know, I'm taking up like 4 spots here, but I think it's okay. So I'm gonna try to do some repairs. One thing that happened is the cap fell off as we were driving off the water inlet where you put the fresh water in, and water was spilling out. I didn't even know there was water in there, so I guess that means it's full of water, and I didn't know that. So I have to buy a cap for that, but I'm gonna try to get the water going. I clicked the water pump, nothing happened. There's a gas station right here that has like a water thing. Maybe I can fill it with water from that. And I'm gonna try to clean the cabinets. It's really hot though in here, is the problem. I'm gonna run the generator. I'm just gonna really work on this today. And my wife and kids are running errands, so I actually am alone, so I might actually get something done. So yeah, you can join me on today's adventure if you want. Hopefully it's not too boring. Maybe you learn something about RVs like I am. So this is the water thing that's coming off here. And I think the cap just fell off. And I don't know why this water is doing that. I didn't even think there was water in there. Not sure what's going on. So I found this thing, which is a cutoff valve, which should fit over the water thing and allow me to cut it off and still attach a hose. I'm not sure why it's doing this though. So I just watched a video and I learned a lot. Yep, that should work. I just learned a lot. I don't know if it's good for this to be sticking out like this though. You know, although I don't need to be getting that close to anything. Yeah, it's not any closer in the mirror, so. But yeah, something to be careful about. But supposedly if you overfill your tank, there should be a overflow thing. Should work. If it overfilled. So that's how you do that, huh? Interesting. Awesome. That's one repair down. One repair down. But I could just see me hitting something with that, you know. Scraping something, you know, I don't know. It's gonna have to do for now. So that's one repair down. What else to do? I still don't know how to turn on the water pump. So this is the water pump switch. Problem is, I don't know which one is on or off. On or off. I just watched this video which said that if you don't hear anything, there's not enough pressure. It only comes on when there's, how's it go? When there's, goes off if there's, it comes on if there's not enough pressure. Something like that. So it works silently. But obviously there's no water coming, you know, there's no water. And I don't know if the generator has to be running or what, so. And I can't remember where this was. I have to look at my old video where Ponce was showing me everything. Okay, well I just found this other water cap. It says potable water only. I think this leads to the tank directly. And I think the other thing is when you want to, if you're at a what do you call it, RV park or something, or your house, and you can plug your hose in. So you have two methods. And this is the drain deal. I'm not sure how it works. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this off. I'm gonna do a lot of cleaning today. I gotta watch another video on how this all works together. I'm really confused over simple things like water. So I'm taking all these drawers out, and as you can see, it's pretty filthy in there. Here and here. I've got to fix this one. It's all crooked. I've got to clean all that out. I found this water pump, which is making me think that the water pump doesn't work. I don't know if this water pump works or not. I remember throwing out an old water pump. I have a feeling that's the situation. Anyway, these are the drawers from here. I haven't even looked in this yet. I don't even know if this opens. I don't want to break it, but I gotta clean all these drawers out. So what I want to do is fix all the drawers so that they slide in properly. Like this one is not in properly. See, it needs to go in there. Yes, a lot of work. That's what I'm working on now. All right, so look at this mess. I pulled everything out, all the drawers, all the bags. I can't believe all these bags fit into this wardrobe here. I pulled all these clothes out, all this stuff. This thing, it looks small, but it actually stores a lot of stuff, man. Anyway, it's a mess. See down there? That looks scary. What lived down there once upon a time. I saw this one drawer was just full of dead roaches, man. That was nasty. I don't know what happened there, but I've got to clean that out. I'm gonna clean this out. Gosh, I'm gonna clean that out. That's what was behind the drawers. But I really, and I'm gonna clean all this. I'm gonna clean this. I mean, my goal today is that all these drawers are usable. So I'm gonna do all these drawers as well. I did this already, and that took forever. And I'm gonna do these, and then the kids can keep their. I have 3 kids, so they can each have 2 of these. That's the plan, and one of those. But they don't want to touch none of this stuff. They're so creeped out by everything because it's so dirty, you know. And this thing's sitting in the desert for 1.5 years. So yeah, but it's amazing if you organize things, how much you can fit into a small space. All right, I'm gonna go to Home Depot again, which is right over there, and get a it's right over there, Home Depot, and get a mask. And I'm gonna look at their blinds. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then when I get back with the mask, I want to clean. But I really need a vacuum. Okay, all right. Look, I found this beer. I don't know how old it is. You think it's any good? I'm not drinking it. I don't know what the date. Does beer have a date? I don't see a date. Anyway, I'm not drinking it. But look at all this stuff I gotta clean out. That's what I'm doing right now. Cleaning out crap. I need a stool. And you know what? My kids aren't even gonna appreciate this. They just hate this thing so much. Doesn't matter what I do. That's okay, man. I don't care. I'm just gonna make it better and better. Maybe one day they'll like it. Or maybe not. I don't know. It's disgusting. Whew. This is what I'm dealing with here. Look, I got a mask on. Ta-da! I'm going into RV surgery. We're going to operate on the cabinets today. It's a serious operation. There's a big chance of failure. Just kidding. Actually, I am cleaning these cabinets that are really dirty. And it's hard. I got all the dust out. Now I'm just wiping them down. I got this one done. This one done. And I'm working on this one. Working. You know what I like about this? Is all this work I put into this, it's just going to get better and better. You know, it's my home on wheels.
and I feel like I'm building something. I mean, I don't know how much more it'll depreciate or whatever, but it's mine. I don't owe any money on it or nothing, you know? And that's just an awesome feeling versus, you know, working like I was for the landlord, you know? And it's like you're just going in this freaking merry-go-round. You know, I'm constantly ranting about this rent thing. Just in LA, it's just not a fair deal anymore. You know, sure, there's situations where you can rent and it's worth it, like for your student and you're renting a dorm, or you know, you got a contract job somewhere and you're living in a simple situation and it's better just rent because it's temporary. But this idea of renting for years and years and years and having nothing, that's just not good. Not good at all. What is this paper? Like, what is this stuff? I can't get it up. Oh no, the surgery is failing. No, surgery is successful. You want to see dirt? You want to see me clean it? Watch. I'm gonna put this video called "Watch Guy Clean." I'll get 1 million views too. People watch anything on YouTube, like anything. Whew. Can't get that little speck. Oh, come on. There, sort of. Okay, I'll just hide it in the corner. It'll disappear when it dries. 3 cabinets. That's it for now. Okay, so all this is done. It's done. In here, all these drawers in here, this wardrobe where the clothes go, and what is this crap? No, it's little crap like this that like make it look bad. These little things that make it look tacky. I can't get that right now, but all this is done. In here is done. Can't really see, but the wardrobe is done. So this whole section is done, finally. Except for right here. I still gotta do that. See? Well, you can't see, but it's nasty. Alright, that's it for now. Over and out.